Hi, my name is Blake Morman. I'm from Table P Studios. I worked on the adventure game, primarily on map design and player stats.
Hi, I'm Adam Ferry from Table P Studios, and I worked on the adventure game with Blake Morman. I was concerned primarily with loading levels, as well as the player movement script and the blobs attacking. The Legend of Cyberman is a theoretically endless adventure game in which the player traverses floors while defeating enemies known as blobs. These enemies can be defeated with the spacebar laser cannon, which the player has, and shoots in whichever direction the player is facing. At each defeated blob, they will gain 10 experience points. When 100 experience points are reached, the player will level up, restoring their HP back to 5, and becoming more powerful so they can defeat blobs more easily and faster. On each floor, there sometimes may be weapon upgrades. These can be found on the ground, and they are represented by a small obelisk. Whenever a player picks up a weapon upgrade, their damage will increase, increasing their effectiveness against the blobs. The player can reach the end of a floor by looking for an exit. Whenever they get to this exit, they will reach a new floor, which is selected from a pool of 15 possible distinct levels. Each floor is randomly generated, with items and blobs being dynamically scaled to the player's current level. Ultimately, when the player does eventually die, because the blobs will increase in number every time you continue floors, the player will be granted a high score and can compete against other players for the best possible high score.
From Table P Studios, voted the most innovative game studio of 2017, comes The Legend of Cyberman, a modern adventure game ran through MATLAB. Why would you spend your time playing board games at home when you could be crawling through dungeons, slaying monsters, and gaining XP? That is precisely what you can do in The Legend of Cyberman. The Legend of Cyberman is an exciting, fun game that will keep you glued to the screen for hours. You're going to be in your basement playing this game all day, I guarantee it. Your parents are going to come down and they're going to be like, "What are you doing down there?" And you're going to be like, "I'm playing the new game, The Legend of Cyberman. You should try it." And they're going to try it and they're going to love it because this game is fun for all ages, not just the young kids. I know you're asking, what makes this game so great? And now I have a few bullet points for you. Boom! Amazing visuals. Boom! Exciting combat. Boom! Leveling up. What else do you need? There's nothing. Oh, wait, yeah there is. Boom! More levels.
I hate The Legend of Cyberman.
See, he's not a real person, because real people don't hate The Legend of Cyberman. Real people love the game.
It's true.
What's another great thing about The Legend of Cyberman? I'll show you. It's portable. I can play it anywhere I go. I'm going on a business trip, I'm playing The Legend of Cyberman. I'm sitting in class, I am playing The Legend of Cyberman. It's anywhere.
Hi, I'm Pranav and I'm from Table P Studios. I helped in making the Mastermind game. I was a part of the coding team.
Hi, my name is Chou from Table P Studio. I work on Mastermind game. I involved in testing game.
Mastermind is a game that we generated using MATLAB. So the game begins when the computer generates a set of 4 colors from red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple and pink. So now once the computer generates these 4 colors using the random function on MATLAB, the user is supposed to enter these 4 colors in the current sequence. So the user inputs these colors one by one and he gets 10 tries to guess the correct sequence. So now it's the user's objective to guess all the 4 colors in the correct sequence. So the user is asked to input each color one by one and he has 10 guesses to guess the right sequence. If the user guesses the correct color and it's in the correct sequence, then the computer generates a black bead. If the user guesses the correct color and it's in the wrong sequence, then the computer generates a white bead. But when the user generates a wrong color, the computer generates no bead. So as I told you that there are 10 guesses. If the user completes the game within 10 guesses, he wins. If not, he loses.
Here's a demonstration of the MATLAB Mastermind game. As you can see, I have already guessed 4 colors, which also happen to be in the color set, shown by the white dots. Now they aren't in the right spaces, so I'm going to redo this. I'm going to type color 1, let's say orange. Color 2 is red. Color 3 is blue. And color 4 is pink. Now it's going to tell me that orange and blue are in the incorrect spaces, but red and pink are in the right spaces. So obviously, I'm going to put blue where orange is, and orange where blue is. So I'm going to do blue, red, orange, and pink. And I am a mastermind.
Along with the adventure game is Mastermind. Mastermind is the perfect game to cultivate the perfect intuition and fantastic logic. Completing this game will crown you the mastermind of your friend group. The game is inexpensive, fun, and very portable, supported on all main lab running devices, unlike the board game. The version of Mastermind does not require a second player. Mastermind will provide hours of enjoyment, and it is fun for all ages. Kids, teenagers, and elderly can take their hands off it.